how to draw a barbarian from Clash of the Clans, okay? So let's get started. It's gonna be easy, simple, for beginners, okay? Let's go through this step by step. Gonna go over here, curve up, down. He has a bit of a pointed head. Pull down the side of his head here on this side. Down over here for this side of his head, okay? It's got like kind of a squared head. So what I'm gonna do at the top here is I'm gonna go right here and kind of curve right there to kind of show that there's a plane change, right? He's got like his head's a little bit down. He's kind of looking at us. Gonna go over here and pull down toward the eye. Down over here for the furrowed brow. Pull back. Down over here, up. Okay, let's go through the nose. Curve, pull back, round right there. Into the big round nose. Let's go over to the eye. Curve down. Curve underneath for one eye. Over here, just the bottom part of the other eye. Curve, curve, right there for the eye on the inside. And you kind of fill that in if you want, you don't have to. Line down, line across for his beard, down. Line up. And curve right here for this ear sticking out. Gonna go right here to the beard. Curve right there for that mustache, the big handlebar mustache. Down, down. Curve underneath, pull up. And he's gonna be like gritting his teeth. Boom, just gritting his teeth. He's gonna fill in the backside there. Over here, downward. Down, curve for the bottom lip, chin, pulling up. Right here from this side, we're gonna have the end of that mustache right there. Cool, so we have his head there, and now we're gonna go to his body. I'm gonna go over here, he's got really big, broad shoulders. Down, over here, kind of make sure it kind of aligns over here. Down on this side. Pull down, curve underneath, pull up. Okay, now I'm gonna go over to his arm. I'm gonna pull a line down for it all the way down his hand. Curve right here for the bicep area. Downward here through the wristband. Curve, up, down. Curve up for the finger, curve up for the finger, curve up here. Line across the wrist here. Line across the other wrist. Circle, circle, curve, curve. So he has that wristband right there. He's got to draw a line down for his waist. Down, down. Kind of an upside down V for the top of the belt. And then line here for the rest of the belt, okay? I mean the front buckle, Curve for that's the actual belt. Curve right here. Down on this side, down on this side. And then there we go, we're gonna cover that belt. Down over here, we have like the rest of his, it's kind of like, I don't know what this is, like a kilt or something. Gonna go right here for the foot. Line down, straight out, up, in, curve up. Line over here, down, out, up, curve for the foot, and then curve up. we're gonna have the sole of the shoe that he's gonna be wearing. Line, line, over here, line, line, top of the sandal there. And then right here on his, on the kind of buckle there, we're gonna draw some circles there. Line down. Down over here for the arm. Line across, line across. Thumb. Finger. 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 Curved line right there. Let's draw square right there for the blade. Out, out, in, down. And then you have the actual like knife that he has going on there, or the sword really. Line over here, out over here, down. Drawing like the edges of the sword really, like a T shape a bit. I'm gonna draw a line here for the pectoralis. Curve here for the top of the pectoralis, curve for the top of the pec. And now I'm gonna draw a thicker line around the outer edge. Just around the outer line, just to kind of give it some variety. Not variety, to give it some definition. You're drawing a thick line just to kind of contain everything. You're trying to contain those shapes. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification if you like learning how to draw anything. If you want more characters from Clash of the Clan, I will totally do it. Just let me know. And that's it. I want to thank you very much. You've been amazing. Hit the share button if you can. I forgot one thing. You want to draw the circles on the other wristband there. And I forgot one thing too. Maybe some circles on the belt. Thank you so much. You are amazing, and I will talk to you very, very soon. Hit me up in the comment section, and we can always talk later. See you later.